Welcome to Vivero Growers. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Cristina.
And today we're going to talk to you about the Yucca rostrata. So the Yucca rostrata is a Texas native yucca. It's a trunk-forming yucca that is very slow growing but can reach heights of 10 feet or more. It loves the Texas sun and it can tolerate some shade as long as it's getting at least a half day of sun. As you can see, it has this steely blue foliage and it's spear-shaped with some movement to it. It's cold hardy and it's a tough xeriscape plant.
So the Yucca rostrata produces a really tall bloom spike with ivory bell-shaped flowers. It's a really excellent specimen plant. You can plant it in mass, you can have it in a container, or even as a standalone anchor plant. It has this really sculptural look to it, so it can be used in a lot of modern landscapes, or you can even plant some smaller perennials around it to kind of soften the look. And then it does have this trunk, as Rachel mentioned earlier, and you can either keep it as a skirt or you can trim it up to expose this trunk, and it looks really cool when you do that too. And so you can also plant it as a xeriscape, kind of with other yuccas, agaves. There's all different types and textures that you can do with it, but again, I mean, planting it with perennials, you can basically do just about anything you want. Options are limitless with this guy. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.
Bye.